Alright, g'day people, we're back. We're in Kyoto still. About an hour or less out of Osaka, Japan. Just come from yet another temple there. Check out that vlog, but we're just going to go for a walk. Lots of people out here in the traditional dress wear, male and female, and children as well. They look spectacular in that traditional dress, and there's some more. It'd be good to have $1 for every Komodo I've seen today. I'd be quite rich. So we'll probably either make a few clips walking around or just let it roll. Down to about an hour and a half left on a 512 gigabyte. Been filming purely in 4K 60. There's a bus, if you didn't know what a bus looked like. Yeah, plenty of tourists about. Had a nice vanilla ice cream today, it was quite nice. The wife wanted me to get a green tea, but actually there's pretty cool. I should get a short of that. Have a look at that. That is so cute. Look at that, it's wearing a little hat. Yeah, like Japanese love their pets just like the Taiwanese do. Very cute. Yes, very cute. Yeah, actually I saw a beautiful grey dog the other day in Osaka. Beautiful grey coat on it. Reminds me of my old grey cat. It was a Burmese. Yeah, I guess we could just roll around and film. Yeah, they do a good job with the presentation of the fake food. Some traditional dress wear. Yeah, I found there's a lot of mixed Japanese out here. Yeah, I love the fashion that the Asian girls have. Like, they don't dress the same unless they work in a cosplay type of place, and they still have a variation of their dress sense. But the fashion in Japan is amazing, because I love fashion. Yeah, it's good to get out of the sunlight. Yeah, we've already overheated the GoPro once today, and I'm sure we'll probably do it again. And there's some more traditional Komodos there, absolutely gorgeous. Actually, that shop I just walked past smelled quite good. Reminds me of Lush. Yeah, the wife was saying that Lush have closed down, but I've seen a few Lush here, and also in Adelaide they have Lush. And when I do return to Adelaide, hopefully the Lush store is still there, because it does smell fantastic. Yeah, I quite like how they've got the old look of the roofing there. I was a bit lost for words there. A bit tongue-tied today. It's been quite a long day. And that's some good fashion there. That's an interesting shop. Yeah, that is quite interesting. Yeah, I've made a whole series of clips of women in their fashion, and the wife kept saying you should do some men one, because you've got female subscribers. I've got about 33% female subscribers. And I jokingly said to the wife, I said, well, I could just put on a fashion show myself, and you can take a picture of me or a little video clip of me in my fashion wear. And she laughed. But yes, actually here's another little shrine. Very good indeed. Here's the green matcha tea. Got matcha cakes. Yeah, the wife really loves her green tea. I don't mind drinking the green tea. It's okay in ice cream, but it's not my favourite. Yeah, my favourite's the boysenberry ice cream. Hard Rock Cafe. There's some nice fashion there. Yeah, we might as well keep rolling. I reckon there would be some department stores around here, and there's some nice sweet product there. 300 yuan. Yeah, like they like beer with all their little nibblies. They're very good. Yeah, those two girls, they've got some nice fashion sense. Yes. Actually, it's quite funny. Many times I've seen the young Japanese boy try to chat up the girls. Like I saw one guy and he kept trying to chat up girls left, right and centre, but he didn't have much luck. But he kept trying. I think we're back to near where we started one vlog. There's a beautiful river over here. So what I'll do is I'll wrap it up on these beautiful girls there. Hello, absolutely beautiful Japanese girls, and they're being quite nice and they're waving to me. So hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next exciting adventure. Uru for now. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, I was just chatting to those beautiful Japanese girls and they said bye-bye. That was so cute. Absolutely fantastic that the girls enjoyed their photo being taken. I'm just waiting to cross the road to show that beautiful view there. But there are some ducks down there. I don't think we can get them there. But look at that raging torrent there, and some people there enjoying the sunshine and the nice breeze there. So absolutely fantastic here in Kyoto. I've probably pronounced it wrong as I've got terrible pronunciation, but absolutely spectacular mountain views. There's beautiful views there. Probably won't be anything spectacular once I've crossed there, but I think it was the other one I crossed over with the wife. So really nice. I love a river. I've streamed a few rivers and videoed a few rivers in my time. There is a bridge of trust, another bridge of trust which we're on here in Japan. So on that theme, we'll just make a short vlog perhaps and just show this beautiful area here in Kyoto, Japan. Yeah, we'll head back to Osaka shortly. But yeah, I've enjoyed my trip here in Japan. I enjoyed Taiwan, enjoyed Bali. Here we go, we're on the path again. Yeah, I wish I had $1 for every person in fashion. I'd be an extremely rich man, as I said in the other vlog. And oh geez, I nearly tripped over. That would have been good. But have a look at that, spectacular. And the mountain view there, really nice. Heaps of people walking around. I've got another battery in the bag, but I might wrap this up soon. I'm down to 23%. We've got an hour 20 of record time, so I might wrap this up soon. But just soak up this beautiful vibe here. Actually, you got some nice restaurants there where you can sit on the ground and have a meal there. Pretty cool. I haven't got to a restaurant where I've sit on the floor. I've been to one restaurant where we could have sit on the floor, but there are too many people doing that. And there's some more local fashion there, the komodos. Really good. I love the river. It's very calming. I normally see turtles here, but that's quite clear. I don't know how good the picture's coming up, but really good in 4K. I'm looking forward to checking out the vision on the 4K TV back in Australia, the 65-incher. I did see a 75-incher here for about 3K, and it absolutely looked fantastic, the LED. So what we'll do, I'll just wrap this up in a moment. And there is a nice bike, I think that's some type of Harley. Exhaust system on that's quite low. There's the Komodos. Oh, actually I just noticed the little river torrent in there as well. Yes, I don't know about mosquitoes in this area, but lots of fashion, lots of beautiful women and men. So we can't forget the men, because we do have female subscribers, and there's a woman there with tattoos. She's got some fashion sense. So on that note, always love yourself and be the best version of yourself. Life is short, you only get one chance. And there's some more dress in the clip-clops. And actually we're just onto the 4-minute mark. That there's a pretty cool laneway, and people taking photos of each other, and that's what traveling is about. And there's some more vending machines. We've done a video on vending machines. Look at that fashion. Oh, it is a warm day today. And there's a McDonald's. Yes. Yeah, I didn't think much of the teriyaki burger here in Japan. Wasn't my cup of tea, but lots of other good food here. Yeah, I really enjoyed the Japanese food. And there's some girls taking some pictures of their product there. Yes, and they're quite cute too. We probably should have crossed the road there, but that's all good. And there is a nice little river there. Lots of people walking about. Kyoto, not too far out of Osaka. Actually, this would be a place I'd like to live, perhaps, but I reckon there are other places in Japan I'd like to explore, but not on this trip, but next time perhaps. And we'll bring the drone out and test it out, because I did buy a drone the other day. I haven't tested it out. I've opened it up, I've unboxed it, and there is a nice river. Might be able to get a nice shot of the river to end the video on. Yes, that really looks beautiful, doesn't it? Very beautiful. Alright, on that note, I'm going to sign off.